Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well out there today. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me right now and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Alright, today I just want to show you something, a couple tools that I use. I'm using this particular software. Okay, right here, I want you to call this number and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Just follow me here for a second. I can take this one number, okay, promote this number. When people call this number, it's going to text them my website, okay? But what I've done is I've created what's called a link rotator. In my link rotator, I can list multiple different links, so I'm able to promote several opportunities with one phone number. That's right, one phone number is going to put several of my links in rotation, okay, so that I'm actually promoting 3 or 4 different opportunities at one time with one phone number. This text message software, okay, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. It's going to be 2 systems I'm going to use to do it. Okay, so just hang in and let me show you. Okay, I'm on my Press 1 website. Okay, call that number. Now let me show you the system I'm going to use to create my link rotator in. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I tie them all together. Okay, this is the system I am using. Okay, the Conversion Pros. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a link rotator, and I'm going to show you how I do it step by step. It only takes like 2 minutes, guys, or less. Okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm in the back office of the Conversion Pros, and for the sake of the video, I've already created the link, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So I log into the Conversion Pros. On the left hand side, look to the left, there's something called Link Rotator. You click that. Okay, I'm already on the page. Right here it says New Rotator. As you can see, I have several rotators already created. But click here, New Rotator, right? And it populates. Let me move the screen over, hang on. Okay, as you can see right here, it populated a blank field right here for the URL that I want to put in there. And I'm going to show you something. If I keep clicking this plus button, you see that? It just keeps adding them. So I can add many links in here, which is what I'm doing for everybody that joins me in Press 1 Cash. I'm going to add you in my rotator, okay? Which means when I promote my phone number, your link is going to be added in the rotator to rotate. I'm going to have a specific link for that. So let me continue. So as you can see, as long as I keep hitting that plus, I can keep adding URLs. Okay, so I've already created one for the sake of the video, so let me show you that. Okay, I already saved it. Okay, so right here I've added in here 1, 2, 3, 4 just to show you how it works. I have 4 links. They're all going to rotate, and you can move them around. Okay, you can move them if you like. Like I can move this one in front of that one, and vice versa. You can decide how you want them in whatever order you want them in to rotate. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. I hit save. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how it created a link. Okay, now I've created it. I'm not gonna click it because I don't want people to be using this link. However, right here is the one I created called Instant Pay Biz Rotator. If I click that, it will give me the link. Okay, it's going to give me one link for all those 4 URLs I just created. Now I take that link and I go back to Press 1's back office. Let me show you. Okay, I've logged into my back office of Press 1. Right here again. I don't want to put that link out there because I'm using it for this specific purpose. But as you can see, here's my Press 1 number, 67893200152. Right down here in this box is where I put that link and I click save. I have one link that's going to rotate 4 different business opportunities, which means multiple income streams. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to use Press 1 in the Conversion Pros to promote multiple business opportunities, which equals multiple commissions, because I've listed 4 different opportunities in that link. Okay, that shortener, and I've made a link rotator. So that's when people dial my number, and you can see, because I want you to dial a number. We'll go back and show it to you again. You dial the number and you will see one time you dial the number, it's going to text you one link. Then it's going to rotate to the next link. Okay, see how that works? So you can actually use Press 1 Cash, this software, to do the same thing for you. Okay, let me show you the number so you can dial it and see what I'm talking about. Okay, here's my number, 678-932-0152. And it's very reasonable for the text cost. I think it's like $10 that will get me 1,000 credits. So it doesn't cost a lot to advertise this. So it's no big deal about people dialing the number. But you can use Press 1 Cash, guys. This is a great business to invest in. It's a software. You don't have to download anything. Okay? Once you join, you're going to be sent an email from the company with your login information. Just log in. So it's not a software that you have to download on your computer. Okay? So then you get access to your back office and all that to set it up. And I'll work with you on that. It's very simple. But you're going to be assigned a phone number. Depending on what area you're in, it will actually create the number for you. You don't get to select it. So it's going to be a random number. So you get assigned this number, and you're going to be able to make $200 every time you sell this software to others. Okay? And it has a great comp plan with it. Okay? Your first sale is a one-up. The first sale you're going to keep, and after that and beyond, you're free and clear to receive all your $200 commissions are going to come to you. But you have your first qualifier. But just think, that gives you leverage. Because everybody that you sign up, they too have to pass up their first sale to you. So you're going to be getting those $200 pass-up sales. And they're paid instantly. And you can accept however you want to receive payments, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, whatever you want to do, you set that up in your back office. And that's how you'll be paid. So you take this software to promote any business you want. But we create the link rotator. Because like me, I'm in several business opportunities. So I can use this one phone number to promote every one of them. As long as it's a website. As long as you have a website from the company. If they've given you an affiliate link, you can create a rotator in the Conversion Pros. Let's go back over there. And this system is awesome. I've been using it for a couple years now. I use it for all my marketing. It's a turnkey, total turnkey marketing system. It is $50 a month. Okay, but you're going to earn residual on that. Everything you're promoting has an income stream with it. So that's why I'm saying you can take one number, okay, to help you promote multiple opportunities, which in turns give you multiple streams of income. So Conversion Pros is $50 a month, and you're paid $25 every time one of your members pay their $50. You pay $25. So the company splits the commission with you. The 50 is split in half. You get 25, the company gets 25. And they pay every Friday. So everybody that purchases this from you, you're going to make $25 over and over and over as long as they pay that $50. So then you have this income stream, and then you will have Press 1, $200. And there's no monthly fees with Press 1. It's just a one-time payment of $297, guys. This is well worth, see, it says it right here on the website. $297, one time, no monthly fees. So you invest in this software, you get the Conversion Pros, and voila. Those two together is going to allow you to make those multiple income streams. So if you have 4 or 5 different income streams, you tie them into the link rotator, and just think, people can sign up from those opportunities. You're going to make the $200 for the Press 1, and if they get the Conversion Pros, you make $25, okay? Promoting one number. So it's well worth the investment to do that. And you can promote whatever you want with this software. And I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so definitely take a look at it. Dial my number 678-932-0152. See how it works. And like I said, I'll be happy to work with you to set it up. It only takes 2 or 3 minutes, because all you're going to do is put in the back office how you want to receive your payments. That's it. And then we do the conversion pros to create your link rotator, and you're done. Okay, so check this out. Press 1 Cash is definitely worth it. Instant $200 commissions. Okay, $297 to start a business is very, very affordable for everybody. Okay, so check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put the links below for Press 1 and for the Conversion Pros. And the Conversion Pros will give you 2-week free trial, so you can test it out without even using your credit card to see if you like it. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on this side of Press 1 Cash. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.